How to cast screen from Android to TV. If you solid your cell phone to a TV, you possibly can nonetheless use it. Display screencasting permits you to ship media in your cellular gadget to a TV or different suitable show. On this information we are going to stroll you through the straightforward steps to solid your Android gadget's show onto your TVs, permitting you to stream motion pictures, reveals, music, and different content material. The best way to solid Android to a TV utilizing Chromecast. The most typical methodology of casting Android to a TV is with Chromecast. A Chromecast is an affordable gadget that serves as a bridge between your Android cell phone and TV. There are additionally TVs, together with Choose Android TVs and Vizio SmartCast TVs, which have the Chromecast system built in. This permits casting the identical collection of apps onto these TVs without having to attach an exterior Chromecast. With Chromecast, your TV can stand in for cell phone's show, permitting you to look at streaming apps which run in your Android straight in your TV. To solid, your Android cell phone and any Chromecast gadgets must be on the same Wi-Fi network. As a result of a Chromecast stick can plug into any TV with an HDMI enter, the TV doesn't need to be a sensible TV to play screencasted content material. The best way to use Android with Chromecast. Comply with these steps to get Chromecast up and operating. Plug your Chromecast gadget into an influence outlet and your TV's HDMI input. Skip this step if the TV has Chromecast built in. Google/Amazon. Activate the TV. If utilizing a plug-in Chromecast, choose the HDMI enter on the TV it is plugged into. When you have not already executed so, obtain and set up the Google House app in your Android cell phone. Open the Google House app, then choose Add greater than Arrange Gadget, and observe the Chromecast setup prompts. If you're utilizing an iOS gadget, you possibly can management Chromecast utilizing the Chromecast app for iOS. Obtain and set up a number of Chromecast compatible apps, comparable to Netflix, Hulu, YouTube, or Google Play. Vizio. Open one among these apps, select some content material to look at, after which choose the solid icon. When you have multiple Chromecast compatible gadget, you will be prompted to pick out the one you wish to solid to. Watch the chosen content material in your TV. Google what you can do on your Android cell phone whereas casting. There are a number of issues you are able to do in your cell phone as soon as you have arranged casting out of your Android gadget. View the casted content material in your Android gadget in addition to the TV. Use your Android cell phone as a distant management to navigate the casted content material. Carry out different duties in your cell phone, together with calls, texts, social media, and internet shopping, whereas casted content material is enjoying on the TV. Casted content material will proceed to play in your TV till you alter the enter in your TV or activate a unique function on a bridge gadget. In case your cell phone continues to be on whereas casting, however you wish to cease the solid, go to the app you are casting, then choose the solid icon greater than disconnect. The best way to solid Android to a TV without Chromecast. There are Choose TVs and bridge gadgets, comparable to media streamers and sensible Blu-ray disc gamers, which have a built-in system known as Dial, Discovery and Launch. Developed by Netflix and YouTube, the Dial system permits an Android smartphone or pill to find apps on a Wise TV or bridge gadget and launch content material on them. This implies Dial permits YouTube and Netflix apps and websites in your Android cell phone to hyperlink to the YouTube and Netflix apps in your sensible TV or bridge gadget. You may then discover movies from these providers in your Android gadget and begin enjoying them in your TV. The concept is you should use your Android gadget to regulate streaming apps which are already in your sensible TV. This sort of casting usually solely works with Netflix and YouTube. Moreover, for Dial to work, the content material you wish to solid must be accessible on each your Android cell phone and in your TV or bridge gadget. To solid out of your Android gadget to a suitable TV or bridge gadget, choose the identical solid emblem used for Chromecast. On this case, if a Chromecast is not detected, however you might have a dial-suitable gadget, the brand will seem. Dial works within the background. The one indication your Android cell phone and TV or bridge gadget is suitable with dial is the presence of the solid emblem on the content material you wish to solid, mixed with an inventory of suitable gadgets you will have to pick out from. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe. Don't forget to share.